Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a PayPal account in Germany in just 2 minutes. Opening a PayPal account is super simple, but you'll want to make sure you do everything correctly to enjoy a smooth start. Ready? Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to PayPal's German homepage by typing paypal.com/de/home in the address bar and hitting enter. This is where your journey begins toward creating your brand new PayPal account. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually easy to spot. Click it and you'll be taken to the page where you can choose the type of account you'd like to create. If you're opening PayPal for personal use, such as shopping online safely or sending money to friends and family, select Personal Account. Then click Get Started to continue. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your basic information, your name, a valid email address, and a strong password. Make sure your password includes letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. After that, don't forget to select Germany as your country. This is crucial to ensure your account is set up correctly for your region. Now you'll need to enter more detailed personal information, your full name, home address, and phone number. Take your time here. This information is used to verify your identity, and PayPal treats your privacy very seriously. Your data will remain safe and confidential. Next up, you'll have the option to link your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Doing this will make it easy to send and receive payments seamlessly. You can even transfer funds between your PayPal and bank account whenever you want. Depending on your chosen method, PayPal might ask you to verify your account further. This could include linking your bank account or providing additional ID information. Don't skip this step. It's important for full account access. Before finalizing, take a moment to review PayPal's terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through them so you understand your rights and responsibilities as a PayPal user. Once you're done, click Agree and Create Account. And just like that, you've successfully created your PayPal account in Germany. Wasn't that quick and easy? Now you're ready to enjoy secure online payments and money transfers with ease. Whether you're shopping online or sending money to loved ones, PayPal has you covered. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more calm, clear, and concise guides. See you in the next one.